Hey there, squad. Are you dreaming of legs that could give a supermodel a run for their money? Well, get ready to make that dream a reality because I've got a killer workout for you that'll have your legs looking slimmer and sexier in just 3 minutes. No more endless hours at the gym or torturous diets, just a quick and effective routine that you can crush before catching some Z's. So, grab a towel and some water, and let's get ready to transform those legs into the envy of everyone around you. Number 12. Leg raises. Leg raises are a simple yet effective exercise for targeting the muscles in your thighs and hips. Lie down on your back with your legs straight and together. Slowly raise your legs off the ground, keeping them straight, until they are perpendicular to your torso. Pause for a moment and then lower your legs back down to the ground. Number 11. Glute Bridge. The glute bridge exercise is a highly effective strength training exercise that primarily targets the gluteus maximus, the largest muscle in the buttocks. It can help improve glute strength, increase hip mobility, improve core stability, alleviate lower back pain, and can be done anywhere with minimal equipment. Lie down on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the ground. Slowly lift your hips off the ground, squeezing your glutes as you lift. Hold for a moment and then lower your hips back down to the ground. Number 10. Leg press. While the traditional leg press is done on a machine, you can also do a lying leg press using a resistance band. Lie down on your back with your knees bent and place the band around your feet. Push your feet away from your body, keeping your knees bent, until your legs are straight. Pause for a moment and then slowly bring your feet back towards your body. Number 9. Scissor Kicks. Scissor kicks are a great exercise for targeting the muscles in your thighs and lower abs. Lie down on your back with your legs straight and together. Lift your legs off the ground and cross your right leg over your left leg, then uncross them and cross your left leg over your right leg. Continue alternating back and forth in a scissoring motion. Number 8. Inner thigh leg lifts. This exercise targets the muscles on the inner thighs, helping to tone and slim down this area. Lie on your side with your bottom leg bent and your top leg straight. Lift your top leg up towards the ceiling, keeping it straight, and then lower it back down to the starting position. Repeat on the other side. Number 7. Side leg raises. This exercise targets the muscles on the outer thighs and hips, helping to slim down and tone this area. Lie on your side with your legs straight and stacked on top of each other. Lift your top leg up towards the ceiling, keeping it straight, and then lower it back down to the starting position. Repeat on the other side. By liking and subscribing to this channel, you'll never miss out on the latest and greatest content, and you'll become a part of an engaging community of like-minded individuals. So why wait? Hit that like button and subscribe now to join the party. Number 6. Clamshells. This exercise targets the muscles on the outer thighs and hips, helping to slim down and tone this area. Lie on your side with your legs bent at a 90-degree angle and your feet together. Keeping your feet together, lift your top knee up towards the ceiling, then lower it back down to the starting position. Repeat on the other side. Number 5. Hip bridges with leg extension. This exercise targets the muscles on the back of the thighs, helping to slim down and tone this area. Lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the ground. Lift your hips up towards the ceiling, then extend one leg straight out in front of you, keeping it in line with your hips. Lower your leg back down to the ground and repeat with the other leg. Number 4. Reverse leg raises. This exercise targets the muscles on the back of your thighs and buttocks, helping to tone and firm this area. Lie on your stomach with your legs straight and together. Slowly lift both legs off the ground, squeezing your glutes as you lift. Pause for a moment and then lower your legs back down to the ground. Number 3. Bicycle crunches. This exercise targets the muscles on the front of your thighs and can help to tone and slim down this area. Lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the ground. Place your hands behind your head and lift your shoulders off the ground. Straighten your right leg out in front of you while bringing your left knee towards your chest. Twist your torso and bring your right elbow towards your left knee. Return to the starting position and repeat on the other side. Number 2. Seated leg raises. This exercise targets the muscles on the front of your thighs and can help to tone and slim down this area. Sit on a bench or chair with your back straight and your feet flat on the ground. Slowly lift one leg up towards the ceiling, keeping it straight, and then lower it back down to the ground. Repeat with the other leg. Number 1. Dead bug. This exercise targets the muscles on the front and back of your thighs, as well as your core muscles. Lie on your back with your arms extended towards the ceiling and your knees bent at a 90-degree angle. Slowly lower your right arm and left leg towards the ground, keeping them straight, while keeping your left arm and right leg still. Return to the starting position and repeat on the other side. Thanks for joining me today and crushing the 3-minute workout for slimmer legs. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to seeing results, so make sure to incorporate this routine into your daily routine. And don't forget to take care of your body by staying hydrated and fueling it with nutritious foods. If you enjoyed this workout, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome fitness content. And please share our videos with your friends to support our team. Looking for more amazing videos? Check out the videos popping up on the right and the left of your screen. Thank you, guys, for tuning in.